Stop! Wait a minute! Get your life together in just 60 seconds. Yes, 60 seconds is all it takes to change your entire perspective on how you see yourself this new year. Be calm and take a sober reflection. How do you see yourself? Up or down? Big or small? Healthy or not healthy? Whatever becomes of you is a function of the decisions you make, and it takes just 60 seconds to start living a healthier lifestyle. Why not start by eating the right foods today? A good diet is a precondition for a healthy life, and it takes just 60 seconds to make the right decision. Having the appropriate meal is good. Knowing how to schedule the diet to enhance proper living is best. For just $60, you can also be a proud owner of a custom-developed healthy eating plan that will get you the results you much deserve. Here's what I'm offering you. For $60, I will give you the 30-day keto meal plan and recipes. But hold up. If you order now, I will upgrade your order to include the standard plan along with the basic plan, both valued at $150 at no additional cost. That's right! You get the basic plan and standard plan for just $60. Standard plan includes the basic plan plus weekly grocery shopping lists with extra tips. In order to get this special offer, you must first hit the subscribe button on this YouTube channel. Share and like this video along with clicking on the little bell to receive more special offers to come. When you're done, just go to www.dailyhealthever.com and towards the bottom of the homepage, fill out the Contact Us form or send us a message requesting the 30-day keto meal plan along with your email address, and we will tell you how to get the 30-day keto meal plan right away. Okay, your 60 seconds is about to lapse, and the choice is now yours to make. Order now and set yourself on the path to a healthy new year. For other products and services that are not related to this promo, kindly go to www.dailyhealthever.com. Please note that results may vary in each person. Each body type is different and there are no guarantees or refunds. Daily Health Ever is not responsible for the claims in this video, nor are they liable.